The cloud storage industry is dominated by giants like Google Drive, Dropbox, and AWS. But what if there was a decentralized alternative that lets you store data securely and even earn money in the process? DeNet is revolutionizing storage by removing centralized control and giving power back to users. Instead of relying on massive corporate servers, DeNet splits and encrypts files into smaller parts, distributing them across a global network. This ensures better privacy, enhanced security, and total resistance to censorship. There are two main ways to participate in DeNet and earn rewards: Watcher Node and DataKeeper Node. The Watcher Node is the easiest way to get started. You don't need to share your storage or manage complicated settings. Just activate the node on your device, and your role is to verify that files have enough copies across the network. It's a simple way to earn passive income while supporting the decentralized system. If you want to earn even more, the DataKeeper Node allows you to rent out your unused storage space and get paid in tokens. Your device will store encrypted file fragments, making it impossible for anyone, including you, to access the full content. This provides total privacy for users while rewarding data keepers for maintaining uptime and availability. So why does this matter? Centralized cloud services own and control your data. They can limit access, charge high fees, and even delete files without warning. With DNet, your data stays in your hands, secured, decentralized, and powered by blockchain technology. The future of Web3 storage is already here, and DeNet is leading the way. Are you ready to be part of it? Let me know in the comments if you're interested in running a DNet node. If you're new, check out the link in the description to start earning today. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on decentralized technology, passive income, and Web3 innovations.